In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Typeform form into a WordPress page using Elementor Pro. If you want to add an interactive form to your website and keep the process simple, this method is a great option. We'll be taking the embed code directly from Typeform and placing it into your Elementor page so the form displays exactly where you want it. This is especially useful if you want a cleaner look than just linking out to a separate form page. To begin, log into Typeform and open the form you want to place on your website. Once you're inside the form, go to the Share area, then choose the option to embed it in a web page. Typeform will generate an embed code for you automatically. This code tells your website how to display the form correctly, so make sure you copy the full code exactly as provided. Next, switch over to your WordPress site and open the page where you want the form to appear. You'll need to edit that page using Elementor Pro. Once the editor loads, scroll to the section where you want the Typeform to be displayed. Think about the user experience here. For example, placing the form in a clearly visible section with enough spacing around it can make it easier for visitors to engage with it. Now, from the Elementor panel, drag either an HTML widget or a shortcode widget into that section of the page. In most cases, the HTML widget is the most direct choice for embed code like this, because it allows you to paste the code exactly as it was copied. If you use the shortcode widget, just make sure the embed method you're using works properly in that field. Once the widget is in place, paste the Typeform embed code into the widget settings. Double check that the entire code was inserted without missing any part of it. Even a small omission can prevent the form from loading correctly. After that, click Update to save your changes in Elementor. When the page finishes updating, preview it on the front end of your site to confirm that the Typeform appears correctly and is functioning as expected. If it doesn't show up right away, refresh the page and make sure the code was pasted into the correct widget. That's it. You've successfully embedded a Typeform into a WordPress page with Elementor Pro, giving your visitors a seamless way to interact with your form without leaving your website.